Hello everyone. Today we will do hints on essay writing. So, general preparation is the first point. One of the chief difficulties young people feel in essay writing is lack of matter. They do not easily find anything to say about a subject. This is natural because their experience and general reading are limited, but it may be remedied by reading and by training the power of observation. Reading. First point is reading. Bacon said, "Reading maketh a full man." That is, a person who reads much and widely stores his mind with a large variety of facts, thoughts, illustrations, and general information. If you want to write good essays, you must acquire a love of reading, not simply reading stories for amusement, but reading good books of history, travel, biography, and science. Fill your mind with fine thoughts and accurate information. By so doing, you will become a full man, and a full man can always find plenty to say on most subjects. Observation. B is the observation. But all knowledge does not come from books. You may learn much from the life around us, what we see and hear, and observe for ourselves. Keep eyes and ears open and learn from your own experience. Practice writing short descriptions of what you see in everyday life, the people you meet, bits of scenery that strike you, buildings, street scenes, trees, flowers, hills and valleys, the habits of animals and birds. Don't be content with reading other people's description of such things, but see them for yourself. It is surprising what a lot may be learned from the personal observation. Now, I am on point number on point C. Birds are written by man. Books, sorry, books are written by man and woman, and if you can learn from the books they write, we can learn also from the words they say. Listen to people's conversation, get them to talk to you about the things they know, and discuss subjects that interest you with your friends. In this way also you may learn much. A writer reads, observes, and gets people to talk, and in these ways he is always enriching his mind with ideas and knowledge. Now, second is the special preparation. Now we come to the point, special preparation needed for writing an essay on some particular topics, your subjects. And the first thing we must do is to define the subject. Number one is A, defining the subject. Keep it here. Done. We will keep it here like this. Okay. This one is okay. Defining the subject is, it is very important that you should have a clear and accurate conception of the subject of the essay before you attempt to write on it. What exactly it is and what it is not. Some subjects are so simple that you can scarcely make a mistake about them, but some want looking into to define them exactly. For example, the uses of computers. The subject is not how computer works, nor is it the history of computers. Yet some students class carelessly reading the subject might easily take up a large part of their essay with such topics. In a short school essay, there is no room for irrelevant matter. You have to come to the point at once and start away with the subject. The subject in this case is the use of computers in offices, in industries, in aircraft, in spacecraft, etc. It is therefore very necessary that you should define the subject clearly in your own mind, or you may waste much time and paper in writing on more or less irrelevant matters. Okay, now correct B is collecting material. Reading up the subject. When you have got a clear idea of your subject, the next step will be to think of what you can say about it. Some subjects are so simple that a little reflection, matlab thought, should supply you with sufficient material for a short essay. But for others, special information will be needed, for which you may have to do some special reading. For instance, if you have to write about some historical subjects or give a description of some country you have seen, you will have to get hold of some book and read the subject up. But in any case, you have to collect materials for your essay before you can write it. In schools, class discussions on the subject under the guidance of teacher are very helpful in this stage of special preparation. In any case, do not attempt to write the essay before you have given some time to thinking over what you can say on the subject. The common habit of beginning to write down the